Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the USAG 285 X combination wrenches with special profiles. These are not just any wrenches, they are 30% longer than standard wrenches, giving you that extra leverage when you need it most. The open and box end is bent at a perfect 15 degrees, making it ideal for new hexagon bolts and even those tricky damaged ones. Precision construction means a snug fit on fasteners, no more slippage during high torque applications. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, these wrenches are built to last, with a corrosion-resistant finish that keeps them looking sharp. Plus, the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for those long jobs. And with a compact case for easy portability, the USAG 285X is the perfect companion for every professional on the go. Get yours today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.